I started looking for an air duct cleaning company and almost got a guy that comes from the "we do it all for $29" advertising. I decided to get a more serious opinion from a better rated company. I called EcoGreen, and I am glad I did. They came over in no time for a free estimate and consultation. They provided me with a free inspection, including a video showing me the inside of my air ducts. They explained to me the green cleaning method of pushing and pulling, which also uses brushes, not just vacuuming the air ducts. They helped me to get the air in my home to be much more cleaner. What a relief, we can actually breathe fresh air again. I did my homework and found that EcoGreen is known for their safe green cleaning method, integrity and professionalism, maintaining an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and Angie's List, competitive pricing and quality work. After my air duct cleaning, I said goodbye to allergies and hello to clean air. All thanks to EcoGreen. EcoGreen cleans and services thousands of homeowners every year. Having cleaned air ducts helps to reduce allergies, remove bad odor, decrease dust, lower energy costs, improve indoor air quality, and increases the efficiency of your heating and cooling system. Call EcoGreen for a free, no-obligation inspection, including consultation and a free estimate. Contact us today at 866-633-8380.